A new manufacturing facility opens in Van Buren, Arkansas.
Industry is growing across the river valley.
Wire that reaches every corner of the country made right here. Bekaert plant to open in September 1976. A place to build a future.
They came here to make wire, but what they built was a legacy.
I got started with Bekaert because my dad started as an employee in 1981. When I was 18, he called me and let me know he had a job for me. My first job was sweeping the maintenance shop.
I've been here 42 years as of this year. But when I first started, the very first week I was here, I almost quit. It was that tough. From there, it just, I got better at it. And it was just a passion of mine after that.
I didn't expect to be at Bekaert this long. Being 19, I had big, grandiose plans of kind of like going to college and moving off, getting away from Arkansas, but I didn't, and I say it roped me in, but it roped me in a good way. Being a part of a team that's just bigger than here, that's been the best part of being here as long as I have.
So at Bekaert Van Buren, we really make three main products. Agricultural products, which is our fencing, including barbed wire fence, field fence, fixed knot, horse fence. Our strand capacity, which is our energy and utility, overhead power cables, guy wire, utility strand, and guardrail, which is what you see on the interstates. That is the protective barrier between keeping trucks and vehicles from crossing over the interstate.
I've worked for Bekaert for a long time now, and I still can't even begin to grasp all of the ways that Bekaert touches the world, from the steel-belted radials to wire in an insulin pen to an ink pen. The magnitude of the footprint from Bekaert, just from how it touches the world globally, is unforeseen in my opinion, and something that I'm still trying to grasp.
We always say it's just wire. At the end of the day, we have a really heavy focus on safety first, quality, and then tons.
Quality is important, especially with our customers. They're asking us for very specific coatings, diameter, you name it. That's what they want delivered as a final product, and we have to meet those requirements.
It's very challenging. I've been here 42 years, and I see something different every week. You have to change the process up in the way you run it to get what you need to get out the other end. But that's what we're here for, right? To make it work.
Bekaert Van Buren is known for innovation and advancement. If they want something or they have a new idea, they send it to us and we make it actually happen. And that's what we're known for.
What makes this plant unique is the people. Just can't find them anywhere else. The level of camaraderie here, they do care about you.
Working here is just, the environment alone is better than any other job I've had. You get along with so many people, and it's just easy.
Dad worked here and we work here, and Dad was a supervisor in Agri and in a strand, so he's pretty well known. So give us a hard time in a good way. It's fun. So it really feels like a family environment.
We have so many legacy employees. What that says to me is that they encourage the generations after to also come to work here because they know we're gonna take care of them.
You don't gotta get out, bud. How are you? Good. You all right? Yeah.
I started as a temp, and now I'm a junior project engineer. So this place believes in investing in the people and building from within the company.
I started kind of at the bottom, and I'm just kind of working my way up. The opportunities that it gives working here at Bekaert, I couldn't ask for anything better. I love what I do, and that's a big thing.
I just had surgery a month or two ago. I got off work, I had problems with my toe, and I was going to wound care. They called me and said, well, hey, don't come here, you go straight to the emergency room. I had surgery that very next morning. Well, right after surgery, who shows up? Sean Jernigan. I had no idea. And sitting there with me for like 2 or 3 hours, I didn't have to worry about a thing. You gotta love that. It means a lot, because no one else was there to support me. It makes you feel good when you know you got someone that back you and support you. You'd be surprised at the people that called and checked on me, and it makes you feel good, man. It does.
And that's just kind of what we do here. But I can assure you, if the situation were reversed, I didn't do anything for Freddie that Freddie wouldn't have done for me.
Bekaert has been such a loyal employer of our residents for so long. Not only are they a great employer and provide great benefits, they're a great investor in the community. It doesn't take long, or you don't have to look far in the Van Buren community to see projects Bekaert has supported, especially at the Van Buren Boys and Girls Club.
My dad worked night shift until I was 12, 13 years old. So I was raised there essentially every day after school. So I jumped on the opportunity to be able to give back to what they've given me.
There's a warm, fuzzy feeling, you know, when you get to help and do things for the greater good for our community.
It has been a blessing to have Bekaert here for generations. You can really feel the impact that they've had on our community, and I look forward to many more generations to come that Bekaert will continue to be in Van Buren, to continue to be such an important part of our community.
Seeing my dad work here, to get here and to see him in a different environment than what I was used to seeing him in at home, it taught me how important it was to, you might say, carry yourself in a certain manner. And a lot of that comes from just watching him.
It's more than basically a workplace. You could have friendships that will last the rest of your life.
At least 2 to 3 times a week, I will have someone in my office mention David Jernigan. Sometimes it's in a serious manner, sometimes it's in a joking manner, but that constant reminder is always there.
I'm proud that I worked at Bekaert, and I'm proud that I was able to put in 32 plus years, but I'm most proud of my son.
Oh, here you gotta give me an old pat on the back. I've been waiting on a pat on the back.
There's growth moving forward. We've been here 50 years. We've got so many decades more, and we're just getting started.
We keep breaking records, we keep progressing, and we're excited, and we're here to see what comes next.
I don't know where the best place in the world is to work at. I don't know what the answer to that is, but I know this one's really good.
I could retire if I want to, but I'm in no hurry to retire. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy the people I work with. I enjoy the company I work for. I don't know, I hope they don't have to wheel me out of here.
What's built here doesn't just connect places, it connects what's possible.